Guys, please make sure to stay until the end. We're going to talk about common mistake people make that can actually cost you thousands of dollars for parts, tools, diagnostics that you may not actually need. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair Guys. Super quick, very helpful video for any of you trying to find where the rear window defroster fuses and relays are located on Mercedes C-Class, that generation here, W205. Stay with us, we'll explain which relay fuse you need to check. By the way guys, if you will share information about hidden fuse boxes, that's information that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs, and if you need to buy any replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, we'll share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can guys see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. So let's start on it now. Before we start guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix pretty much anything. Electronics, engines, computers, transmissions. Why we do all that? Because our mission at the garage here is to save you as much money as we can guys. All we need in return, please guys, subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. Check out our YouTube channels, we have more than 17,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's go ahead and start on it now. So guys, what we need to check here now, come, we'll show you. For the rear window defroster, fuses and relays, where they're located. Quick advice from us guys. The owners of that generation Mercedes C-Class, 9 out of 10 owners do not know about all the hidden fuse boxes and all the different fuse boxes. We have 6 of them. Some don't even look like fuse boxes. That's why we made one special video on our YouTube channel that's called Mercedes W205 fuse box location and diagram. Check it out, it's a video that can save you a lot of money guys. And what we need to do now, we need to open the trunk. In the trunk, okay, it's controlled by the rear window defroster is controlled by the rear SAM module. So what we need to do here, we need to open, okay, lift that carpet liner up. Underneath on the right side you have another carpet liner that's cut out, lift the flap, and underneath you have the main trunk fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So guys, let us tell you something really quick guys. People make one common mistake. They never test fuses, relays, they look at them and they assume they're good. At that point, they think they have a good fuse or relay and they start replacing modules, computers, parts that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs guys. Always test your fuses. You have no idea how many cars we fixed for customers that said, oh, I checked the fuse, everything's fine, but I still have a problem. Now, some fuses are super hard to see if they're burnt or not. Some of them will be really easily accessible. You can clearly see them, but there will be fuses that are not see-through, fuses that may look like they're not burned, but they're actually burned. And often, guys, you can actually even test these fuses. Okay, let me show you now without even removing them. But it's very important to know how to test different fuses and relays, and if you want to see how to do that guys, we're going to put that link to a video in the description of the video below, how to test fuse, how to test a relay. Always check that. I want to emphasize that enough because it could be a really simple fix. Guys, here we need to check one fuse, one relay. Let's explain what you can expect to find them. Now, if you still have problems with it, we'll talk what else you need to check. But the first one is fuse number 463. You see that fuse right here? That's your rear window defroster fuse that you will need to check. The relay, guys, is known as relay T. And relay T will be that relay that you see right here. Those are the main rear window defroster fuses, relays. If you still have problems with it, always check the fuses and the relays for the rear SAM module. We have the video on the channel for any of you needing help with that. Guys, quick advice. Now, that generation Mercedes, it has all kinds of different fuses and relays. I want to show you some of them. Those are super special ones as well, guys. And those pre-fuse boxes as well. Check it out. You will have a great variety of fuses, relays. So, by the way, if you guys want to buy any replacement parts, tools, fuses, we'll recommend to keep some spare ones in the glove box for a peace of mind. We're going to share the information in the description of the video below so you can see where you can get them from, and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.